Here's how to fix a lag in Roblox Mobile. Now, if you're in the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, first just quit out of that app and every single app that's currently open. After you've done that, let's get into your settings and check a couple things. Let's scroll down and tap on the general option here, and then iPhone storage. Make sure you have at least 1 GB free space on your phone. If you don't have a gigabyte worth of free space, just go in and tap on an app and then hit delete or offload it. After you've done that, let's find Roblox on this list. There it is. I would highly recommend offloading this app and reinstalling it. This clears out all the cache and temporary files in that app and force updates it to the latest version. Now, if you're on an Android phone, all you need to do is find that Roblox app and clear the storage and data. After we've done that, let's go back out here to the very beginning of your settings, and let's choose accessibility, and then choose motion here. At the very bottom, you can see limit frame rate. If you have this turned on, it will limit the frame rate to 60 frames per second, causing a lag while playing games in the Roblox app. So let's make sure to turn that off. Now let's open up the Roblox app next, and let's say we wanted to play a game, Steal a Brain Rot. Once you're in that game, I would highly recommend scrolling down to the very bottom and then tapping on servers here. And within all of these servers, you can see you want to refresh them, and you might want to go through and find a server that not a lot of people have joined. Keep in mind, if you have a server that you're joining that has all the members in it, it could lag or slow it down. So you might want to join one, for instance, 0 of 8 people max, just join one of those. The next thing that I would recommend doing is doing a forced restart of your phone if it's still lagging. So press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold this side button. Keep holding it even though you see it slide to power off. Essentially, we're just going to wait until the entire iPhone screen goes black, and then keep holding until you see the Apple logo. When you do see that Apple logo appear like that, you're going to lift your finger off. This will force restart your iPhone. You can do the same steps on Android, and it'll be fixed just like that.